Okay.
Tristan, what's this word? All right. What's this word? Good job. How about that word? Yay. How about that word? All right. Everyone say yes. How about that word? Good
Good.
job.
All right, Tristan.
How about that word? Yay. How about that word?
Oh.
There you
Oh,
go. You got
almost.
it. What's this word, Tristan? Don't help him. It's okay. Ready? We'll go back to that one. How about this word? That's right. How about that word?
Yay.
Good
boy.
How about this word? Yay. How about this word? Ball.
Good boy.
Good job. How about that word? Dog.
Good boy.
How about that word? How about this word? Nana.
All right.
And how about that word?
Bobble.
Bobble. Good
Almost.
job. How about that one? Someone's feet. What's that word? There you go. And that word? How about this word? You got it, Tristan. You got it. Ready?
Wait for him.
How about this word? There you go. Good job. There you go. Clap, clap. Yay. Good job.
High five, Tristan.
High five.
High five.
Oh, good job.
Tristan, can I have a kiss?
Blow kiss.
Nah.
Blow kiss. Nah.
Tristan, what's that word?
Nah.
That's right. How about this word? Yay. How about that word? This word?
Tristan.
All done?
All done.
Nah.
I just hit.
Okay. That's right. Milk. Good job.